Welcome to a new Mamba FX tutorial. In this one, I'm going to create an infrared visor. The first thing that we have to do is to check our Mamba's configuration with the config utility. We go to the General tab, we set our preset. I'm gonna set Full HD. Here we can set our autosave time too, and if we go to the Interface tab, we can choose between 1 or 2 monitors. I'm gonna click OK and start Mamba. Okay. Well, this is our Mamba's interface. Here we got the visual editor. On the left, we've got the node grade editor. And at the bottom of the screen, we've got the different tabs where we can control the different parameters of our nodes or projects. So let's create a new project. I'm going to click OK to this current project settings. And I'm going to call this project infrared visor. I click OK, and here we can see the folder tree, and now we have to import our material. So I'm gonna go to Material, Mamba Media, Tutorials, and I'm gonna try to find a guy walking. Okay, and I'm gonna import it as guy walking, link as progressive, and the next thing that I'm gonna import, the next material, is an image, a thermo image. So let's go to thermo and import. I'm gonna link the image, and here we got our thermo image. Well, now it's time to start working in our visor. So let's first create a visor. So to create it, I'm going to create a solid and use a circle generator. And now I'm gonna set this circle as the alpha channel of this solid. To do this, I'm going to select both nodes, going to Effects tab and add an external key. Okay, and if we double click on the external key and go to alpha, we can see our circle working as the alpha channel. Okay, so the next node that I need to add is Com3D, and now we are going to duplicate this input, pressing Alt and drag this first input to connect it as input 2 and have the same input material to our Com3D node. So let's set result size as project, background as solid. I'm gonna add a layer and call this one circle 01, call layer 2 circle 02, and now it's time to move both circles. So let's move it till 50 negative. Okay, and the second one till 50 positive. Here we've got our visor. And if we try to connect this Comp3D with the guy walking, we're going to see a little mistake. So let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna add a connect here to organize it better, and another one here. Okay, it's okay for now. So let's change the input, and here we got the little mistake. So this is because our alpha is inverted. So let's go to Comp3D effects and add an invert node. Okay, now we've got the good result, and I'm going to add some Gauss around this zone. So let's select effects, blur, just double click on it and one click on Gauss. I'm going to select the RGBA mode and give it a radius around 12. Okay, now it's time to work in our thermo image. So let's disconnect this node just for now, and now I'm going to add a new node. So let's select both nodes, go to effects, and go to color, and add a remap. Okay, gonna change the input, and well, this node takes these colors and give them to our base image. So here we got the result, but if we see a real visor, infrared visor, we can see the red hue around the skin and the blue tones inside the cold objects. So let's add a framing in thermo, and now it's time to grow this image till 180. Okay, and go again to remap. Okay, now we have a better result. Okay, we can control the result by changing the thermo image in with a color gray maybe, or something like that. So let's connect our remap to our Comp3D again, and go to the final Comp3D node, and here we can see the final result. Okay, so the last step that we need to do is go to output tab, select movie, choose the format that we need. I'm going to set the MPH4 format. I'm gonna give it a name as infrared visor render. And first I'm gonna save it, and now it's time to go to do render and click on render. Well, here we got the renderer node, Okay. And if we go to the Mamba Media folder, infrared visor movies, and we just double click the clip that move, we can see it too. So till here this tutorial. If you have any question, please